Today we're exploring the Halloween train at Cruise Lake, located at 16739 Cruise Lake Drive, Shady Hills, Florida. The last couple of Halloween seasons, we have made the Halloween train ride a tradition at our house. It's a fun and spooky ride through the woods in the dark, located at our favorite park, Cruise Lake. The train runs Friday and Saturday the last 2 weeks of October from 5:30 p.m. to 10 p.m. When you arrive, they have a station where you fill out liability forms and pay. It's recommended to fill out the forms earlier in the year or ahead of time online. They save your form until next year, and it does speed things along. The lines to get on the train look long, but they move along pretty fast, especially when you're occupied with your phone or even goofing around. If you forgot to eat before you came, they have plenty of food trucks to choose from. The last couple of years, they had fun activities to do while you waited for the train. Maybe the budget was too low for that this year. Oh well, maybe next year. Also, since it is Florida and at night in the woods, please wear bug spray. Make sure you listen to the safety speech before you go. It is pretty dark out there. They take you through a spooky adventure on a 2.5-mile long ride through the woods. And did I say it was dark and spooky? Enter at your own risk.
If you have any suggestions for future videos, leave a comment below, and also please be nice.
Here we go into the dark. The ride is definitely dark, and they have scary werewolves, witches, and ghosts throughout the ride. There's even giant spiders. There's also flashing lights, palmetto bugs, jack-o'-lanterns, and of course, Bigfoot. Look, there he is! These skeletons are pretty spooky. There are also some scare zones and tunnels. This year they had scary clowns. They had scary pirates again this year. They still wouldn't let me join their crew. Maybe next year. Here's another one of those cool, crazy tunnels with the scare zone. If you want to see what the train ride looks like during the day, check out our other video. It's a 20-minute ride and very fun. You definitely get your money's worth on this train ride. Try not to get lost on the way to the car. It's really dark. This is definitely a fun activity you can add to your Halloween celebrations. I hope they keep it up for many years to come. Well, I hope you enjoyed exploring with us today, and hope to see you on our next destination.